Hi, welcome to this introduction to KODU. In this video, what we're going to do is look at how we can set up and build our world and all the features that we can add in. So, to start off with, what we're going to look at is we've got this green square here, and that's your initial patch of land. At the bottom here, I have a various different set of options which can allow me to add to my land and to change the profile of it. If I just zoom in a bit here, you can see I run along the bottom. I've got my ability to move it, to add in KODU and other objects, some lines here, tracks, which we're going to look at a later video, and then the ones we're going to focus on today are here. So we have the paintbrush, which is for adding more land, and we've got raising and lowering land, and then we have flattening off land, and then we have making it spiky. So I'm going to just talk you through some of this. If I click on the paintbrush to start off with, you can see that when I click on it, I get these two options slightly above it. One looks like coloured dice and one looks like blue shapes. The coloured dice allows me to click on there, and it allows me to choose different types of land blocks. So let's say I just go for this one here. Okay, and if I left click with my mouse, you can see it then paints it. Now if I click on the blue sky area, it will add more in. Now if I do something that I don't like, for example just here, I can just right click and it will eat it away. Okay, also what I can do is I can change the brush size. So I can use the right key on my keyboard to the right arrow key to make my brush size bigger, and I can also make the left key, press that there, that will make my brush size smaller, and I can just add in those little holes there. Now if I so wish to take up the land and make hills, I can click on the create hills and valleys, and the same principle applies with the brush. I can use the left and right key to make it bigger and smaller, and I can just click like that. You can see I can raise the land or I can take it down in the same way that if I had raised it up like this, I can also now click on the smoothing off tool, and I can just click on that, and you can see there that it's starting to just smooth it out somewhat. Okay, and then finally hills and valleys, spiky ground and hilly. If I then just do that, you can see there it creates a spiky effect.